viewers, welcome to our new video on Bank Nifty option trading. So today I have done scalping in options. So let's look into the chart using which I have taken the trades. This is Bank Nifty 1 minute chart where you can see some parallel lines that is resistance and support lines. So one interesting thing about these lines is uh, usually we draw support and resistance lines once the candles start forming, but these lines I have drawn before the start of the market. Okay, so I will be posting one video on this so later. So now let's look at the places where I have executed the trades. So here you can see, here I have taken a put option. Okay, so here I have taken a call option. Again, in these two places I have taken put options. So here Bank Nifty has taken support. So here also I bought call options. So here also I have taken a put options. So today market was completely in sideways. So usually what happens after 2 o'clock, the market becomes too much volatile. So actually I thought of waiting little bit more here. So but Bank Nifty has again taken a support here. So I don't wanted to take much risk. So I exited here. Okay, now let's look into our positions. So these are the positions using where I done this profit. Okay, so orders I have executed around 29 orders. So this looks more like over trading, but it's quite natural in scalping. In scalping we are supposed to take many trades. Okay, so this is all what happened today. So thanks for watching my video. So keep watching my videos on trading, especially on Bank Nifty scalping trades. Okay, thank you again.